I'm Jeanette Keynes from Jewelry Arts Inc. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to shape a gorgeous sterling silver cuff. So look at this beautiful, gorgeous bracelet. Hamana, hamana, hamana. So basically now we need to shape it into an oval. Now there are oval mandrels that you can hammer it around, but I usually do that more as the final stage. If you're fortunate enough and you have a stake in your studio, this is like a lot faster. So if you look at your bracelet, I go like, okay, where's the center line? Right here. I'm just approximating, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on the stake and we're gonna hammer from one side to the middle, and then we'll flip it and from the other side to the middle. So what you do is you just leave a little bit sticking out, okay? In other words, like so, right? See, just that little bit sticking out. Now we smack it. Whack, whack. You don't have to say whack, whack, whack if you don't want, but I always have a little sound effect that goes with it. And then stick it out a little further. Whack, 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 whack. A little further.
It's fantastic.
This is fast as fuck. You know what I mean? So not everybody has a stake in their studio, but if you have access to one, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the center, and again, I didn't measure this out. I'm just kind of looking at it and going the center. That shape is a really comfortable, nice shape, oval, because the fact of the matter is, if you look at your wrist is an oval, right? Doesn't mean your bracelet has to be an oval, but I'm just saying. And then usually after, so I'm going to keep going, I'm going to show you, and then usually after this, I'll anneal it again. You can put it on the oval mandrel and tweak it a little bit, but this will get you your shape to sweet, which is, the nicer version is of fast as fuck. So I'm going to go a tiny bit more, you see what I mean? You're sticking out, and you notice I'm hitting right here.
Right.
If you hit there, this just pops right in. You see what I'm saying? It's all very good. So I'm pretty much to the middle. So I'm going to start from the other side now. Leave a little bit sticking out.
Okay.
Whack, whack, whack. A little bit more. Whack, whack, whack. See what I'm saying?
I do.
That's it. So I want you to finish. I want you to just stick it out a little more. Smack, smack, smack. Okay? Until we have that nice oval shape we want. We're going to stop. We're going to anneal. And then, like I said, we'll put it on the mandrel and we'll give it a few more smacks. And the most important thing, too, then is we have to try it on you and see, what does your wrist look like? Is it comfortable? Do we need it tighter? Do we need it bigger? You know what I mean? Whatever it is we're going to do. Okay? Enjoy the whack, whack, whack. As you can see, basically, no time has gone by. Now, we're going to need to tweak this a little bit, but like I said, now we'll anneal, we'll pickle, and we'll just adjust the shape a little bit. We'll try it on you. But like I said, this is there's no faster method to get that shape in that I've ever seen, ever.